If you understand this text, your English level is C1. Dreaming remains one of the most intriguing aspects of human consciousness. Each night, our brains generate vivid images, narratives, and emotional experiences that often feel strikingly real. But what purpose do dreams serve? Although researchers have yet to uncover the full explanation, several compelling theories offer insight. One widely accepted idea is that dreams are crucial for emotional processing. Throughout the day, we encounter a range of emotions, from joy and excitement to anxiety and sorrow. During sleep, the brain seems to sort through these feelings, helping us make sense of them. This might explain why we sometimes wake up with a new perspective on a problem or emotional issue. Another theory focuses on memory consolidation. Sleep is essential for learning, and dreaming may support the brain's efforts to filter and store relevant information. As a result, studying before sleep can enhance memory retention, suggesting that dreams might play a role in strengthening newly acquired knowledge. Problem solving is another function linked to dreaming. Many people report finding solutions to complex challenges after sleeping on them. This occurs because the brain continues to process information subconsciously, fostering creative thinking and unexpected insights during sleep. Some evolutionary psychologists propose that dreams serve as a kind of mental rehearsal for dangerous situations. In prehistoric times, dreaming about threats like predators could have helped individuals practice responses and improve their chances of survival. While the science of dreaming is far from settled, these theories highlight its potential psychological and cognitive benefits. Whether we are processing emotions, organizing memories, solving problems, or preparing for threats, our brains are far from inactive during sleep. Dreaming, it seems, is a vital part of our mental life.